Hello, viewers. Hope everyone is fine. Okay. Good morning, all. So today we are going to discuss how to do parallel execution in Playwright. So normally we can execute one test case, two test cases like that. So, but to do parallel execution, no, our execution time uh, will not be more than the expected one. Okay. So execution time may take for a real time. I'm telling you. So some executions are running single by one test case, it will take more time, right? So we can avoid that single execution. So Playwright is providing parallel execution. So we can reduce the execution time. So how we can do? Okay. So we will learn how we can do. Now, see here, these are the scripts, right? So if you go through my previous videos, right, you will find how we created the default test runs and all. So normally, so I'm copying this script. So go to here, open the terminal. So in this terminal, try to add this script. So now what this script is doing? So npx playwright test slash browser name equal to chromium edit mode, right? So this playwright is going to run the test cases in a headed mode. Now parallel execution. So you can use like parallel, you can run on four browsers, you can run on three browsers, you can run on five browsers. So multiple browsers you can run it. So now what I am doing now, so for parallel execution, hyphen workers equal to first I am taking two. So it will run on two browsers. Go parallelly. So instead of running single test case, if I use one, see, first I am using one, it will run on one browser. So 13 test cases is running in one browser. See, you can observe here, it is running on one browser only. This is the browser. Okay. See, 13 test cases got paused. It took the execution time 1.1 second, right? 1.1 second. Now, what I will do, right? I will run the same execution with the two workers, means two browsers. Parallelly, we are running. So 1 minute, 1 second. So now we will see within how many time, within how much time it will take to run in two browsers. So now we are running multiple browsers, parallel execution is happening. This is the one, this is the one. See, execution, two browsers are executing at the bottom. Can you see my mouse over here? So continuously executing two browsers. See, now it took 38 seconds to complete the 13 tests. Suppose now what I'm doing, workers now I'm using three workers. Means now it will run on three browsers. See what we can see. Three browsers are running. Chromium browsers. One, two, three. See, if you use parallel execution, right? The advantage is the execution time will take less. Means it will complete the execution. One browser will take more time to execute. So multiple browsers now it will execute very fast. It will pick the test cases. So the execution time we can reduce the execution time. Now see 31 seconds. So before is 38 seconds when we run on two browsers. Now 31 seconds. Now I will try to run on four browsers now. See how much time it will execute. It will take execute. So with three browsers, it took 31 seconds. Okay. Now see, now we are running in four browsers, through four browsers. 3 it took 29 seconds. So I hope you understood guys how to run the parallel execution. So we need to use in our query hyphen workers equal to 4. So workers nothing but browsers. So how many browsers you can execute? Okay. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.